Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I highlighted the potential for a recovery from the recent dip to 115,400, pointing with a yellow arrow to the upside. Over the past 24 hours, we did in fact see an upward recovery, though not without further volatility. Price first dipped to 114,900 before bouncing by about 1.84% to reach 117,000. This move coincided with broader geopolitical developments, but the recovery was short-lived, as the market soon dropped again to reach 114,400. This level was not unexpected. Yesterday I mentioned that 114,600 was flashing on the 2-week heat map, and today we find ourselves testing that zone. The retest of this area has renewed focus on whether continuation upward remains possible. Despite signals of downward momentum on the daily and weekly timeframes, such as the red dot on the wave trend indicator, the monthly chart remains supportive, with the RSI in overbought territory. My expectation is that this strength could extend at least until September. The past 24 hours have been a roller coaster, with approximately 401.93 million in positions cleared across the market. Of that total, about 305 million came from long side liquidations and 96 million from the short side. This shows that recent movements have impacted buyers more heavily. Looking at the heat maps, the one-day view shows that the 114,400 level we discussed yesterday has now been cleared. With that, the higher levels around 117,000 are becoming more relevant to larger players and liquidity seekers. On the 3-day chart, we can observe both upward and downward levels attracting attention. There are two areas of strong activity, one near 119,300 to the upside, and another around 113,400 to the downside. Interestingly, both are nearly equal in weight, with about 245 million concentrated at 119,450 and roughly 242 million at 113,400. The 1-week heat map supports this picture, with the most pronounced concentration still above the current price, around 119,400. This aligns with the 3-day view and emphasizes that upper levels remain in focus, acting like magnets for market activity. Checking the ETF flow data, we see that on August 18th, one leading provider recorded sales for the first time since August 5th, bringing total outflows for the day to 121.7 million. This marks a notable shift after a 2-week period of steady inflows. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.